Impossible!
Just gonna die in the end.
Off train. Okay, guys, I really wanted to try another one of these daily dose of internet videos. That first one was a lot of fun. Really, I just this guy does a great job, apparently, based on the first episode we saw, of just picking out fun, sometimes funny, really entertaining and interesting clips. I thought it was a blast. I haven't now that video is posted to the Goosh, our Patreon, but it isn't up at the YouTube channel yet, so I haven't gotten to been able to get a lot of feedback from you guys yet. But I'm going to go ahead with another anyway, just because I found it so interesting, and hopefully you guys do as well. This one is just titled, it seems he just titles the vids with, you know, one of the big events within the vid, Lightning Strikes Tree on Bright Sunny Day. Apparently it sucks to be that tree. Come on, let's go check it out. Oh, and as always, the link to the original video is in the description. Please, you know, make sure to check that out before watching the reaction, and even more so, while you're there, check out everything at Daily Dose of Internet. Seems like a really fun place to hang around. Here we go.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Well, thank you. It's mine. Also, is that tree in the foreground the one that's... Oh, my. Okay, wait a second. My first thought there is, if you're the type that believes in, like, heaven and hell and shit, at that point, you got to figure you're just fucked, because that was pretty random.
On a bright sunny day in Florida,
Jeez,
a random lightning strike hit this tree.
You aren't a
this
believer.
Occurrence is
you
pretty
feel
rare,
like you're
but lightning can strike
fucked.
even if the closest storm is 25 miles away.
Yeah, you're still cursed or something. Oh man, if that kid didn't gag after that, then he needs to find a boyfriend, because he'd be quality boyfriend material. Hot dog disappeared. Oh, these are cool. I like people who do these. Takes a lot of editing work. Yeah, these are. That's what I mean about this. That's what I like about this Daily Dose of Internet. Some of them are just fun, just interesting to watch. Yeah, kid put a lot of effort into this.
This guy has a fish that spits at him every time he stops by to say hello.
Spits at him? Oh, I know what kind of fish that is. It's a douche fish.
This is a sperm whale. Not only is it the loudest animal in the world, but it creates one of the loudest sounds ever. The clicks these whales make reach about 200 to 230 decibels, which is louder than a rocket ship or a volcanic eruption.
These clicks are so powerful in the water that they can
we call
blow
them
out
sperm whale.
your
He's
eardrums
kind of
easily
pissed.
and they could actually vibrate a
maybe
human
that's a
body
compliment.
to death.
Jesus Christ. Could vibrate you to death? That I saw that as a tagline once on a personal massager, but I didn't know it had anything to do with whales. Ooh. Ooh, that sounded even... Oh, calm down, sperm whale.
Bros better not only know me.
A little bit of spin the bottle.
Aw, dang, that's crazy.
Nobody else there. Those eyes. I don't know whether to feel sorry for that kid or if he should be on a watch list to make sure he doesn't do anything violent. Maybe both.
Goose came and scared away this gorilla.
Really? Let's go, bruh. Look at him. Fuck you, bro. You did a lot of chest pounding there, dude, but you still ran like a bitch.
Have you ever been in such a hurry that your boat starts flying?
I've seen videos of the boats taking flight before. Yeah, you might want to take it down a notch, dude. See, this part is peaceful. The in-air stuff, it's the landing that sucks. Alright, well, the landing doesn't always suck. That okay, make a liar out of me, jerk.
This
that was pretty
photographer
cool.
captured this amazing shot.
Wow.
Up in the...
Wow. Hold on, I just wanted to pause. That is fucking gorgeous. Wow.
North Atlantic Ocean.
Faroe Islands? God damn, that's amazing. That's got to be such a creepy feeling just to be standing close to that edge, no? And I'm not even scared of heights per se, but that's
Here's
intimidating.
a time lapse of a little pea growing.
It's the circle of life.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed.
That's kind of neat, though.
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
It's waving
Later.
to us. Bye, P. That was, goddamn, those are interesting. I really like those. It's going to be interesting for me to watch you guys' reaction to these reactions, to these videos, to see if you want to continue with them. I like those a lot. That's really cool. The guy puts together really good clips. And I really like the fact that the P waved goodbye to me at the end. It made me feel special.